CAR T-cell therapy absolutely saved my life. When I was 46 years old, I was diagnosed with stage 4 follicular non-Hodgkin lymphoma. In 2018, a clinical trial opened for me just in time of a brand new therapy called CAR T, where they removed my cells, grew them in a lab for 3 weeks, and put a target on them. Those cells were then infused into me. A month later, the image on the right shows the complete absence of cancer. The cancer is 100% gone.
I'm absolutely thrilled to be able to say the goal for the Merkin Prize is to recognize, to honor, to acknowledge those true science heroes who advance and improve health on a global level. The development of CAR T-cell technology is a defining moment in the history of biomedicine. These 4 winners, Carl June, Bruce Levine, Michel Sadelain, and Isabelle Riviere, they moved CAR T-cells into the forefront of groundbreaking transformations in patients, true remissions in blood cell cancers. They are absolutely amazing.
My journey with CAR T-cell therapy has been a very long one. I received CAR T-cell treatment when I was 6 years old, and I'm now 20 today and over 13 years cancer-free.
In the case of Emily Whitehead, who was the first child in the world ever treated with CAR T-cell therapy, I've literally seen her grow up. When I met her, she was a 7-year-old in dire straits, having failed all available therapy. And today, she's going to be a junior at the University of Pennsylvania, living in a dormitory over my left shoulder.
The patient's own immune cells, specifically their T cells, become precise tumor killers, and they actually have become what we call the first living drug. And they then can turn into an army of hundreds of millions of cells in the patient and continue to multiply and guard against cancer after eliminating the last cell.
I wouldn't be here if it wasn't for CAR T-cell. It was completely out of options. So it's meant everything. I get to watch my daughter grow up, something I didn't think I'd get to do, and I also made it to 40, so. Dr. Sadelain and Dr. Riviere, they've given me so many opportunities to share my story. Because of this success, they haven't stopped, and they continue to bring new cell therapies and innovations to everybody.
Camille is a really powerful advocate. She really embodies one of the reasons we believe in our work and why we wake up every day with the energy to face challenges and to overcome sometimes major hurdles.
Going from an idea that just 25 years ago was brushed aside by most to 45,000 patients treated, most of whom have benefited to some degree from this therapy today, is simply mind-boggling.
As an oncologist, I'm very aware that it's rare when a really game-changing technology comes on the scene, and CAR T-cell therapy is one of those examples.
What we're honoring in this Merkin Prize is the development of the technology that makes these ideas applicable to human patients. And indeed, the 4 people that we're honoring are those that brought this to a practical outcome. And indeed, the technique of using T cells from a patient's body that have been altered by genetic manipulation and equipped with the power to recognize and to reject and kill cancer cells have now been used in many thousands of patients.
But to all the winners of the Merkin Prize, we know you are all part of not only saving Emily, but saving our family.
Bringing attention to these treatments and the work that goes behind them leads to more children like me being able to get out of the hospital and be back with their families. So I'm just very, very thankful for the work that they've done.
I would like to really thank Dr. Merkin for championing biomedical technology and innovation.
The Merkin Prize and the Broad Institute represent, I think, the best in technology and biologic sciences, and so that validates what we've done.
You're encouraging the investment in high-risk, high-reward biomedical research that can transform lives.
Recognition by the Merkin Prize is a tremendous honor. The MIT community is one scientific community that I revere the most, perhaps. So this recognition is overwhelming, really.
I'm very thankful that he honors these doctors and scientists. It's because of people like him that they have a chance to continue their research. And I'm deeply grateful for that.
Dr. Merkin, it's so incredible that you have the talent to not only be a good doctor, but set up access to these new breakthroughs. So for all the hard work that you've done, I think you couldn't have picked any better winners this year.
I want to thank Dr. Merkin for the prize he awards each year and the prize he's awarding this year to these researchers. These prizes help raise awareness, generate publicity for this groundbreaking treatment, which is called CAR-T.
The development of CAR T cells is just the tip of the iceberg for the future of medicine that's incredibly exciting.
Beyond blood-based cancers, which is where CAR T cell therapies have now been applied, the next step will be to attack solid tumors like breast cancer or prostate cancer. And the Merkin Prize will be a key component of building that future.
Don't stop working towards the next big breakthrough. We need you. We're looking to you to make the differences.